These chocolate chip cookies are soft and chewy inside but crispy outside, and they are so easy to make. Hey guys, I'm Landon. Let's bake easier. The downloadable recipe is in the description. First off, instead of soft and cold butter in room temperature for 1 to 2 hours, we can just microwave it for about 20 seconds. Now preheat the oven to the standard 350. If you bake cookies a lot, I highly recommend getting one of these sheets. They are insulated, especially designed for cookies to prevent burning in the bottom. Next is my super easy one bowl mixing. Simply add all these ingredients in, cream them on high speed for about 1.5 minutes. Now we add flour, brown sugar, and finally oil that will help the inside of the cookies stay soft, moist, and chewier. Beat for about 20 seconds, then we add chocolate chips. We need 6 ounces and a typical bag is 12 ounces, so half the bag it is. 10 seconds of mixing should be enough. Now depends on the size of the cookie scoop. We will make anywhere from 13 to 18 cookies. Right here I'm using number 24 scoop, which is about 2.5 tablespoons. Alright, some more chips on top and in my mouth. Yummy! Bake for about 11 to 13 minutes. Typically when I see the cookies start to have crackings, that's when I remove them. Oh, they are beautiful. 10 minutes cooling on the cheese before transferring. Now you have the whole first day to enjoy the best, especially when they are still slightly warm. And here we go. Soft, moist, chewy inside but crispy outside. I doubt they will last past the first day. Anyhow, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other super easy recipes. Thank you so much and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.